I don't know why I didn't record that action, but
You didn't record what?
they were saying hello and I didn't record.
Oh, okay.
No, let's go. I think that's good. I just needed them.
The party, for some people, the party just getting started.
Yeah, like people are coming in, you see?
All I need is you, baby, baby. Over.
I'm in Montego Bay. I'm going to meet one of my subscribers. He's downstairs. He has been following me for a while. Let me go see him. Hey, bro. So we're going down in this beautiful hostel. Yeah, it's called Reggae Hostel. And I realize out here, some girls sometimes stay here. So you have to press that. I think he must be that guy right there. It's funny out here, there. See girls sit here. Hey, excuse me.
Next time. Next time. Sit there, so.
Oh, sorry. Thank you. I'm meeting my friends, so no worry.
Okay.
Thank you.
You can see, sir?
Yeah, I'm from Africa.
Which part of Africa, sir?
Sorry?
Where you come from, sir? Nigeria?
No, Kenya.
Kenya?
Yeah. Hey, what's up, man?
What's up, bro?
Good, good.
Come around. Go around.
Okay.
Come around the front.
So, this is. Oh, wow.
Welcome to Montego Bay, bro.
Oh, thank you, man.
How are you?
Yeah.
You good, man?
Yeah. Let's go.
Shades too.
Hey, what's up, guys? I'm right here in Montego Bay. I'm in this one club here. It's called
Pier 1. This is Pier 1.
Please introduce yourself, man. I know it's dark. Maybe people will not see you. That's,
Yes, I'm Anthony.
Yeah.
I'm the owner of Irish Travel and Tours in Montego Bay.
Yeah.
It's a travel company.
Yeah.
I've been following this guy for a long time,
Man.
and he has some good videos. He's doing a great job.
Actually, I'm in Montego Bay, and he invited me long time ago. He told me, hey, when you come to Jamaica, ensure you click here, and
Yeah.
that's. I checked his Instagram. I saw he was doing a lot of tours, and you guys will be putting his Instagram on my Instagram. I think we shall do a video on my Instagram too.
Definitely.
So guys, you can always check. And he has a very nice car. He actually has been driving me around here, and tomorrow we shall do another more tour, and maybe we shall do more than one video,
Definitely.
So we're going to this club here. Yeah, Anthony, tell people at least what you do, man, just for this video.
Yes, so when you come to Jamaica,
Yeah.
I'll take you around. I'll take you up from the airport, take you to the resort.
Yeah.
I mean, if you want to go on excursions, you can call me. We take you to the different excursions all around the island. That's what I do. I'm like your personal bodyguard.
Yeah,
I stay with you.
Yeah.
Once you hire me, I stay with you all forever until you leave.
Man, at least you can trust Marwa, and so therefore you can check what Anthony does.
Yeah.
Anytime you're in Jamaica, and he can show you, he's a young guy, so he can show you whatever you want to see around,
Definitely.
Yeah. Yeah, let's go experience here.
Yeah, definitely. Let's check it out. Because if you come like later on tonight, you can't walk in here.
Oh, it's packed.
Like everything here is packed.
So I'm right here with Anthony. Anthony, tell us something about this place, man.
Pier 1 is the place to be.
Yeah.
When you're in Montego Bay, it's either Pier 1 or Margaritaville.
Okay.
Wednesday all the way back to Saturday.
Yeah.
Party on every night.
You're telling me about this boat right here, right?
Yes, that's the Treasure Queen over there.
Treasure Queen.
That's a party boat on Sundays.
I don't know if you can see, it's a little dark. Yeah. On
Yeah,
Sundays.
you can go closer,
Okay.
On Sundays you go out in the ocean, It's a party boat on Sundays.
Yeah, and it's really amazing. Like the sea is right here with us,
Yeah, man,
like,
man.
And this is the same one every time.
so this is the. It's
Yeah,
called
man.
the Treasure Queen. Oh, this is where like people party and.
Yeah, so you dock from there and you go out and have a nice party on the water.
Let me ask you, if somebody is coming to Montego Bay now that you work in the tourism
Yes.
sector, how much do you think somebody needs a week? Like somebody who wants to have a good time. Maybe
Okay.
maybe like this because of these lights.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I mean, if separate from your flight and your hotel.
Yeah.
Or all right. What I always tell people, I said, if you're coming to Jamaica to have a good experience of the island,
Yeah.
I always recommend saving some money and go to an Airbnb.
Airbnb, yeah.
Yes,
yeah.
so you can save some money and go on some excursion.
Yeah.
Because if you stay at the hotel
Yeah.
for all the trip, you're not doing anything.
Exactly. Sometimes
You
I
know?
feel like it's like there's no huge difference between you staying in your house back home
Exactly.
and staying in a hotel.
Exactly.
And that's why a guy like me, I never like to stay in hotels because sometimes you are lonely, it's so exclusive. You know, you don't know even who neighbors are. And also neighbors are from those other countries where nobody
Exactly.
speaks to each other.
Exactly. So I mean, if you're just coming here to just relax and
Yeah.
you're not planning to go anywhere and stuff, I mean, the hotel is fine,
Yeah.
but you don't have to come to Jamaica for that. You could
Yeah,
go
exactly.
to anywhere. You could stay in your own country and go to a hotel, right?
Uh-huh.
So the fact that you're flying all the way over here,
Yeah.
you come into Bob Marley's place, man.
Yeah,
Bob
I
Marley
was in
place.
his house.
You know?
Actually, I'm here to release
Yeah,
the
man.
video.
You're coming to the Paradise Island.
Yeah.
You need to go out and experience everything that we got here to offer, you know?
So how much could it like for a week, let's say 7 days?
7 days.
Yeah, a good time, not really like super. I want an average, nice, you know. You can eat good, take a taxi, do everything for a week.
Okay,
And
okay.
pay even your
So that's like staying at a Airbnb.
Airbnb.
Okay.
Let's say $50 a night, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's a good Airbnb.
Yeah, $50 a night is
Yeah.
it's a good starting point.
yeah.
You know, but sometimes you have to be careful because
Yeah.
sometimes the cheaper ones are not so good.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
Maybe
yeah.
or even very far away from.
Or they're in a bad neighborhood
Yeah,
that
exactly.
you don't really want to be in.
Yeah.
So you have to be careful. But yeah, if you get a nice place for $56 a night,
Yeah.
you can save some money and then you pretty much, I mean, on $1,000 you should be good.
$1,000 for a week, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, definitely.
Actually,
Yeah.
one thing I realize is a lot of tourists. You see them partying a lot when they come to this place because where I'm staying, there's one guy, man, he has been drinking non-stop, and he hasn't. Even I think right now he should be looking for me. Last
Yes.
night we went out with him. So one thing I'm saying is, when you come to Jamaica, at least $1,000 from his own advice.
Yes.
And even me staying here, I feel that's really a reasonable amount.
Yeah. That's the
So
minimum.
yeah, let us take you back to the party experience, what we see, and you see when going to many parties here, you have to pay at least $1,000.
Yes, for entry.
$1,000
That
Jamaican.
US.
Yeah, not US. In most of the clubs,
So in US it would be $10.
it's $10. Oh, it's
Yeah.
like 1 for 100.
Yeah.
Okay.
Basically, yeah.
Yeah, let's see here.
Yeah. Alright, so bro, we got a game show coming to you right now. But we're gonna have a little bit of fun, yeah?
Sorry.
You ready for the water?
Yeah.
Alright, my DJ, lights, camera,
Hey, bro.
action, take you down. Alright, so Pierre, listen. Do we have any happy couple in the house?
Jamaica nightlife, okay? Let's see how it goes for the night. Hey, bro.
Do we have any
Some
happy
water.
couple in the house tonight? Wanna see Russ? Yeah, are you here with your husband? Can both of you come up here, please? Do they have any more couple in the house?
Thank you, bro. I really appreciate it.
Yes, no? Wanna see Russ?
Yeah.
I thought I was buying, but he gave me for free.
We need a couple. You guys wanna come up? Wanna come up? Wanna come up? We got two. I need 2 more couples. Belgium. Belgium. Can I get a couple from that table? Come on up here. Come on up here. Come on up here. Come on up here. Want to come now?
My phone is really good, actually.
Can I get a couple from this table?
It's much better than
Come here,
many
son.
cameras I've ever
Come here,
used.
darling. Come here, honey.
Yeah.
Come here, sweetheart. Listen, in Jamaica, you don't say no.
I
You
have
say
to buy
no
you
problem.
something, man. We
Come
can't
here.
just drink water for
What's
the
your name? What's your name?
No
Yeah.
problem, bro.
Okay.
No problem.
Who? Youngster?
Let's go this way as I take,
Youngster?
I capture.
Come here, youngster. Come here, youngster. Come here, sir. Make your way on stage. Make your way on stage. Make your way on stage. Go on up there. Go on up there. Hi, Birosa. Come on up here. I need you guys on stage right now. Come on. Come on. Come on. We got a third couple coming up. We got a third couple coming up. I need one more. I need one more couple. One more couple. What about this couple? How is this couple?
This is gonna be a good
I'm still
video.
looking. I'm still looking.
Yeah.
I need one more couple. Couple. No.
See that guy straight ahead?
Let's go.
Where?
Let's go. Let's
In
go.
the
Let's
gray
go.
shirt, gray polo shirt right there, that's the owner.
Wait,
Right here, Jason, that's the owner.
right here with.
Taller guy in front of this, in front of just step right there, that's the owner.
The guy who's walking away. Hey,
Right here, standing right here.
right here.
Not the one here, the other one in front of him.
The one talking right now,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, that's
That's-
Jason.
Hey,
That's the owner of this place? Oh,
this is
man.
a beautiful couple.
So it was his dad's place.
Uh-huh.
Dad owned it, and you know, his dad retired and turned it over to the
Oh,
son.
wow, man.
Again, if you say yes, you can say no. Yeah?
I feel like I should interview some girls here. Because
Put,
I've seen
put them
some.
on your video.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to let them
We
go
need to have
first,
some
like
fun.
we
Let's go.
always
Who
do.
got the fourth couple? Head on back. Head on back.
Say it's Wednesday night and Friday night, best night to be here, blah blah blah.
Let me ask her.
Hold on.
Hey, what's up, guys? I'm right here. What's your name?
My name is Kelly.
Kelly.
Yeah.
So, Kelly, how much do I need to spend a good night here, a decent night?
Starstruck Wednesday.
A decent night here, like in terms of food and drinks.
How much money?
Yeah.
Well, I guess you need a tons of money.
Like how much?
Well, I can say you need at least 30 grand in your pocket, especially if you're going to drink.
$30?
30 grand. 30,000.
30,000. That in US dollars is how much?
About 300 US.
300.
Actually live.
Yeah, you're right, actually. Yeah. So hold this phone. So they were playing some virtual game there. She was really screaming and throwing her legs, you know. So I'm having water here with me because that's how things are here. And I'm having water here with me. I think I may not drink tonight because actually I've been drinking a lot here. But so far this place is becoming full and full. One thing I love is the free breeze. Like we are in the middle of an ocean actually. You can see right behind there is water. And also right behind here we have water too, you see. You can see the water moving right there. So we're hitting the breeze.
Yeah,
Yes, man.
This is my bro right here, you know.
Oh, hey bro, what's up, man?
Yeah, he's making his flip.
Yeah, we're in Jamaica. What's your name, man? Skill Brain. Yeah. We're right here, and it's still early. The party has not started yet, you know. Yeah.
Here, when I say start, you say start. Start.
apart from the nightlife stories, how is dating here? How is dating here? Yeah.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Yeah, you need to come
So
in the
okay,
video.
so just hold here.
Yeah.
That's all.
Guys, what we
I
gonna
got
talk
it.
about first? Exactly.
Don't worry about that.
I don't wanna pause.
It's gonna be normal questions. Nothing too much.
Okay.
So I'm in the middle, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you play with the camera. Put that in the box, okay?
Yeah.
So what's up, guys? My name is Maro. Hey, what's your name?
Zoya.
Zoya. And
Yeah.
what's your name?
Alicia.
Alicia. Actually, guys, you have to follow me on Instagram so that you can see their Instagrams right there. We shall be putting a video specifically for their Instagrams, and I'll be giving them special shout outs on my Instagram.
Yeah.
So, hey, how much do I need to party here in Jamaica, especially Montego Bay?
Alright, in Jamaican dollars, I'd say about
So,
five.
first
It
the
depends
camera.
on the party. Like here, you don't really need much. It's like $10 to come in.
$10 to come in.
Yeah, and then you just get drinks at the bar. Like this
Yeah.
drink would cost you like $6.
$6.
Yeah.
But
So-
I say you can budget 5 if you're having a crazy night and you wanna drink a lot.
Five,
5,000 Jamaican.
5,000. That is like 50
That's like
US
50
dollars.
US.
Yeah?
Around that,
Just,
yeah.
if you don't like me and her, we don't drink a lot.
Yeah.
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 So 50 US for a night is really good here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's average.
Yeah.
Okay, my next question should be, apart from the nightlife stories, how is dating here? How is dating here? Yeah, I see that question next time. Smile.
Everyone here is kind of wild with
Uh-huh.
dating. It's kind of, I don't know how to say. I don't know.
Just try to describe
Just know
it.
that I give it a break for now.
Okay, not let's say not you, but let's say how is it generally?
Oh.
Generally, in general, not you. Like I want you to give me that perception.
The
Let's say,
guys here are a little bit wild. You know?
Uh-huh.
They like to have more than one woman.
oh wow,
Yeah. Yeah.
wow, and the guys are okay with that.
The girls, no, we don't like. We don't like to share.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's more the guys want more than one woman, but the guys are like, no, we don't have that.
Yeah, we don't want to
Right.
share.
Drama.
How is a typical first date here? You know, I'm asking you this because you're two beautiful girls. I'm very sure a lot of comments will be like, oh man, I like the one in the left, I like the one in the right, I like this, I like, you know. So just in case, how is a typical first date?
It's a norm like in any country. Like,
Like-
lunch
like
or
anywhere
dinner,
else,
or just go like even here just to have a drink.
Yeah. What is the most common food that people have on their first date? Like my home, people eat something we call chips and
But it depends where you go because
Uh-huh.
then if you go to a Jamaican restaurant.
yeah, face the camera, please.
Oh, I'm sorry. If you go to a Jamaican restaurant, my go-to is aqui and saltfish. Most people here,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
But if you go to like a unport, you've been to Fairview here.
No, not yet. I'm
But
sorry.
if you go to a very elite restaurant,
Yeah.
then probably like pasta or something like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we like chicken, you know. Jamaicans
Jerk
love
chicken,
their
jerk chicken.
Yeah, everywhere I'm going, they ask me, they always tell me we have curry goat and fried chicken. Everywhere I go.
Curry goat, yeah. Well, not so much curry goat, but we eat a lot of fried chicken.
Okay, so let's say somebody's coming to Jamaica for the first time, okay?
Yeah.
What is your advice for them? You know, some people think Jamaica is really, really dangerous. Even sometimes when I make my videos,
I
people
mean,
are like,
everywhere is dangerous.
Yeah,
so
it's like-
give them some advice. Give them some advice. I think I'll let you two just finish that.
I mean, I feel like anybody coming to Jamaica should come with an open mind. Like everywhere is dangerous, and I feel like when you come here, it just depends on what you're looking for, what you're interested in. That then you're gonna have fun.
Yeah,
Like
it's like
All I need is you, baby, baby.
any country there is violence, right? But the violence is like within the communities. You're here as tourists. You're
Okay.
not involved. So just come, as she said, with an open mind, have fun. The people are very nice, they're very friendly, and
Yeah.
they're welcoming.
Okay, you can say bye to my camera.
bye guys.
Bye.
That was super nice.
All I need is you, baby, baby.